everyone, and welcome to this really exciting news flash. I am so excited to tell you about this. Can you see? Because I'm getting really animated. Right, so back in January, February, when I was on placement in Swindon, oh, that feels like such a long time ago, all those lonely nights in that travel lodge, a few people said to me that they would like some Crochet Beginners Group merchandise. So I did a lot of research around getting merchandise, and a lot of stuff was minimum orders, etc, etc, and I would have to pay out and then get people to buy the merchandise from me and then post it out to you. But I have found an amazing company called Teespring. They are completely legitimate. They are actually recommended by YouTube, and you can set your own shop up and with merchandise. So that is what I have done. So if you head over to www.teespring.com/stores/CBG merch store, I will put all the information for you. You will find some amazing Crochet Beginners Group merchandise. Now, I spent hours designing these, so you better like them. There is going to be more merchandise coming soon. And the good thing about Teespring is if you're in the UK or Europe, you can buy and they'll ship it from, because I don't get it, it gets shipped directly from Teespring. So they will ship UK and Europe to UK and Europe, and also US and Canada. They will ship from US and Canada to US and Canada. So it keeps the shipping costs down. Rather than me having to send stuff over to the US or Canada or wherever you are in the world, it would cost a fortune in postage. Also, it means now that we can offer mugs. There's mugs on there, there's tote bags, there's t-shirts, there's funny tote bags, there's stickers, there's lots and lots of stuff. But the best thing about this is all the money is going to charity. So I don't see the money. You can pick your charity when you start each campaign. So it means that we can change our charities monthly. So this month we have chosen, as admin, we have chosen Mind for the UK charity, so the mental health charity. And for the American sales, it is the American Foundation of Suicide Prevention. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, it's their kind of like some version of Samaritans, because mental health is, I'm training to be a mental health nurse. I've been a mental health patient. So many of my friends have had mental health issues, and I think it's really important to talk about it and to support the amazing charities. But it doesn't have to stay for those charities. So each time, like we can change it monthly or 2 monthly. So not only will you be receiving some amazing Crochet Beginners Group merchandise that puts a smile on your face, you will also be helping people through those charities that are going through quite a difficult time in their life. And I'm all about giving back, and I'm a great believer in giving back. That is me. I'm a give back kind of person. So I'm not making anything from these at all. I don't send them out, Teespring sends them out. I don't see the money goes directly to the charities. So when you go on to the website, I will leave the link, and I've also screen recorded the storefront. So if you are in the UK, I think it's like the top few merchandise that are for the UK, and then if you scroll down, it will say US/Canada for the title for each item. So all the items are exactly the same. It's just some are produced in the UK for the UK ones, and some are produced in the US. Now the only thing with the US is the tote bags couldn't come in different colours. They only had cream. So I do apologise. That's Teespring. That there was nothing I could do about it. I did contact them, but apparently they only print tote bags in America in cream, which is a bit random, but there we go. There is going to be lots of new merchandise coming soon. I've got so much stuff planned. And also our little CBG ginger mascot Megan. She is absolutely amazing at product design, fashion design. She's doing a fashion and textiles course starting in September, and she is so talented. And I'm not just saying that because she's my daughter and she's the CBG mascot. She is extremely talented at art and extremely talented at design. And she said that she would come up with some designs for us that are not necessarily crochet related. They might incorporate crochet, but for some clothing, like items like t-shirts, hoodies, and also kids stuff as well. She's going to design and put them onto there. And also she said that she's going to do it for charity. So whatever our nominated charity is, the profits are going to go to that as well. So look out for that soon. So yeah, check it out, www.teespring.com/stores/CBG merch store. When I did the UK ones, I thought, because you have to put in how much profit, because you can just take a bit of it or you can take like a percentage or all of it. When I did the UK ones, in the description, I didn't put that the money was going to charity because I thought it automatically showed up when I nominated my charity, but it doesn't, and I can't edit it. So the US ones do say like profits are donated to the charity. The UK ones don't, but when I think they run for like 3 days and then you can re-edit them, so, or you have to cancel the whole lot and start again. So when it next gets relaunched, I will make sure it's written in the description that the money goes to charity, but I assure you they do. I don't see the money whatsoever. So have a look if there's any suggestions of what you would like. The only problem is with Teespring, I can't do pens, pins, badges, sort of little things. They do have random stuff on there like flags. So if you want a Crochet Beginners Group flag, let me know and I will design you one. Yeah, so that is a really exciting news. Sorry I rambled, I'm just so excited about it. It just took me months, absolute months, to try and do it the best way possible. And this way, if you're in the US, you get the best shipping rates. If you're in the UK, you get the best shipping rates. You don't have to wait for me to send it out, and it's all for charity. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave all the links down below if you're watching this on YouTube, and also if you're watching this on the Facebook group, Crochet Beginners Group. Right, that is it. I will see you tomorrow for New Stitch Sunday. Take care, happy crochet and have a lovely Saturday. Bye.